Excited about making this video as I have been planning to make this one for quite some time. You might have guessed it already from the title, but if you have not, then hang in there. Things are going to get very interesting. I know for many of you, your true love will be pizza, but there is something special about dal chawal, roti sabzi and idli sambar. You know what I mean. Now that's the real food for many of us, and that's what we cook very often in our kitchen. So in this series of videos, I'm going to share some recipes with you that have the same kind of feeling of our food but are very healthy and very nutritious. Hi, I am Ankita Chaturvedi and I make videos on beauty, fashion and life, and today we are going to take a few steps together towards a healthy lifestyle. Alright, in this video, I'm going to tell you about one breakfast idea which is super easy to prepare and it's very healthy. So the recipe I'm going to share with you guys today is Moong dal chila. And before we jump into the video, let me tell you some interesting facts and benefits of moong dal. Moong dal is packed with healthy nutrients and plant-based protein. They are also rich in essential amino acids. It also helps in lowering cholesterol level in your body, which eventually leads to lowering the risk of heart diseases. It is rich in potassium, magnesium and fiber, which helps in regulating blood pressure. And last but not the least, it is also good for digestion. So let's get started with the recipe. So if you are planning to have it in the morning, then you can soak the moong dal in water for overnight, or soaking it for 4 to 5 hours also works. To make this chila, you need moong dal, chopped onions, chopped green chili, chopped coriander leaves, washed and grated fresh ginger, salt to taste, amchur powder, turmeric, cumin powder, hing and oil. As now the moong dal is ready, I am going to put it in a wet grinder with little bit of water, something like 1/4 of the same cup, because I'd like to make the chila little softer. If you would like them to be crispy, then you can add some more water to make a smoother and thinner batter. Now add 1 pinch of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder and salt to taste. Now add finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chilies, coriander leaves and ginger to the moong dal batter. Add a pinch of hing and mix it properly. Now heat the pan. This is important as the pan has to be hot before you make the chila. Now add half tablespoon of oil to the pan. Add a scoopful of batter at the center of the pan. Now just rotate the batter with the back of your spoon. It will give the chila a nice and round shape. If you're not successful in making a round chila in the first go, then don't worry, hair shape doesn't matter. Now drizzle few drops of oil around the edges of the chila. Cook the chilas on medium flame. Flip the chilas and cook the another side for a minute till it is brown and properly cooked. Once the chilas appear nice and crisp, place them to a serving plate. Now your super healthy chilas are ready to be served. You can have these chilas with tomato chutney or pickle, and these will taste amazing. I hope this helps you take a small step towards a healthy lifestyle, and I have many more ideas on cooking nutritious and tasty food which I cannot wait to share with you guys. Let me know in comment section below if you have such recipes and I will definitely pick one of them and will make video on that, and this way you can also be a part of this channel. As I said earlier, this is going to be a series of videos, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the next one. Till then, goodbye.